Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. Emotional intelligence is the hidden force that transforms hotel engineers from problem solvers into guest experience creators. This is just the beginning, and the full course is coming soon. Why emotional intelligence matters. Every repair you handle directly influences how guests feel. Managing pressure while ensuring quality service is not easy, but with emotional intelligence, you can balance technical challenges with service excellence. And soon, in the full course, you will master these skills step by step. The engineer's hidden superpower. Hotel engineers do much more than fix systems. Emotional intelligence is your secret superpower. It helps you earn guest trust, build stronger teamwork, and improve satisfaction beyond what machines can measure. Get ready, the full course is coming soon. What you will learn. In this course, you will learn to manage emotions at work, stay calm under stress, communicate with confidence, and use empathy and motivation to handle any hospitality situation. And this is just a preview, the complete training is coming soon. Real hotel situations. Imagine a guest complaint, a sudden breakdown, or pressure from multiple departments. With emotional intelligence, you will learn how to handle these situations smoothly, turning challenges into positive guest experiences. The full course is on its way to show you exactly how. Building professional confidence. You will learn how to recognize your strengths and limits, control frustration during demanding shifts, and build the confidence to communicate effectively with both staff and guests. And yes, the full course is coming soon to give you real-world strategies. Stronger teamwork in hotels. Great hotels run on teamwork. This course shows you how to build trust across departments, resolve conflicts, and create positive relationships that support guest comfort every day. All of this will be explored in depth when the full course arrives soon. Leadership is not only about technical knowledge. You will explore how to guide junior staff, make service-focused decisions, and role model professionalism that inspires respect throughout the hotel. The complete course will take you deeper into leadership skills, and it is coming soon. Practical and applicable. This course is built on real hotel case studies and role plays. You will practice handling guest complaints, coordinating during urgent breakdowns, and applying emotional intelligence skills you can use immediately. And the full course, coming soon, will equip you with even more practical exercises. Emotional intelligence is the key to transforming your hospitality career. Join this journey to unlock your potential and become the service-focused hotel engineer every five-star property needs. The full coming soon, so stay tuned and be ready.